So yeah, we are checking into the Hotel Gracery in Shinjuku, also known as the Godzilla Hotel. There's also a movie theater below the hotel, which was awesome. We did see a movie there.
What? Oh my god. Oh my god, guys.
What the heck?
Oh my god, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. The G-Man himself.
So yep, at the entrance to the lobby, there's a big old timeline full of all the different Godzilla movies that have come out in Japan. They didn't have the American, legendary Godzillas on here, just the ones that were made by Japan. And as you get into the lobby, there's directions pointing towards the Godzilla head, and in front of the Godzilla Cafe, there's this giant statue of Godzilla that looked like he got spooked.
Guys, we're on the top floor. We're on the 30th floor. That's wild.
Something's behind you, baby. I love the elevators. Oh, 2000. Over there.
Okay guys, we are in room 3002. We're on the absolute top floor and we're gonna give you a little room tour of the Godzilla room. Starting off, obviously, front door. I think it's really cool. This hotel gives you umbrellas to use if it rains, obviously. But I think that's cool that it's free for guests to borrow their umbrellas. Next, we have the toilet. It is a... Someone just used the restroom in there, so it's not the best smelling. It's a fancy toilet. Heated seats, warm water to, it's a bidet to spray your tush, all that fun stuff. Next, something I'm very excited for that the other hotel did not have, full body mirror. Sometimes you just want to see if the fit is fitting, so I love that. Already, this is working better than our other hotel. It was actually hot in here, so I turned it down. Next is the shower and bath area, which I'm actually kind of intrigued. I'm excited. It's more of a traditional style. They do have a tub in here, but the shower head is off here and the drain and stuff is out here. So you just shower in here. There's even a stool and a bowl to wash your hair and everything, a mirror and soap, body wash, shampoo, all that. So I'm excited to check this out whenever I shower. Next, we have the sink off to the opposite side of the shower room. They do provide, like the other hotel, toothbrushes, looks like toothpaste, towels, hairdryer, and pajamas. I'm actually really excited for these. All right, and then onto the bed area. So one thing that's really cool about this room, it's definitely for the boys. They have Godzilla-themed bed drape things, the Godzilla-themed pillows. Awesome. I know Cody's excited about it. He's freaking out. He's yeah. Over here we have the information book with Godzilla on it, as well as a Godzilla tissue dispenser. Amazing. And there are two seated chairs to sit down in. We obviously just kind of collapsed our stuff. And then a very amazing view of the city. I'm very excited to see this at night because I know it's just going to be stunning. But look at that.
Look at your face.
But yeah, guys, isn't the view just spectacular? Isn't the room, it's nice? It's a little smaller than our last room, but compared to some of the videos I've seen of other hotels, this is still a very nice sized room. Honestly, I would say it's an average sized room compared to back at home in America. But yeah, I'm also excited. We are going to check out the Godzilla head here pretty soon, and the cafe, which has Godzilla-themed exclusive items. So we're getting into all of the Godzilla things.
Very cool. They give us Godzilla-themed cups, mugs, and tea, drip bag, coffee. Godzilla-themed. That's awesome. And yes, we do get a fridge. That is nice. We love it when we have fridges. And then next to that is our closet space. Pretty decent. Pretty decent. And one thing to note before we go down there, the Godzilla head, you can see it from the lobby, but they do not allow people out onto the terrace. There's no admission out there. I don't know when or why they changed it. I know they changed it a while ago, so I was expecting not to go out there. But just letting you guys know as well. Too bad, so sad. Wish we can go out here, guys. So back into the lobby of the Gracery Lounge. Some people call it the Godzilla Cafe, but I just wanted to mention that the statue here again. One, super cool, super detailed. And so is this like miniature pine tree. Next to it is a display of different merchandise that you can get here at the hotel. Cool tissue boxes, which I really wanted one, maybe next time. Some figures and dioramas that you can get here. And then also like little snow globes and mugs. And then fans as well. And then at the entrance of the lobby, again, here is the costumes that were in the Godzilla movies.
Godzilla, my homeboy. King Caesar always freaks me out. Anguirus, my guy. Rodan, my dude.
This Godzilla looks like he got caught doing something. That's hilarious. He's
Like he got caught doing something he shouldn't have been doing.
All right, guys, we are here at the Godzilla Cafe. We just ordered some lattes. They got latte art. We ordered a giant pancake island of Godzilla and Mothra. Also ordered 2 sodas. And then we are also going to order a parfait later. So can't wait to check it out. The view you get from the cafe, pretty nice. I like that little detail right here of Godzilla and Mothra on the stone. I love that the bar has like all these mini figures up there of Godzilla. It's so cool. And it keeps going. Guys, look at the Godzilla art latte. Mine's a little warped just because, you know, how it be sometimes. But look at him. It's awesome.
And then here's his girlfriend.
Here's Masura. Cute. Now, does it taste any good?
It smells good.
We don't know if it tastes any good, but it does smell good.
Oh, it's nice and hot.
All right. Time to try it.
It's hot.
To try it. It's hot.
It's hot. The cup's hot.
Where I'm putting my mouth is where his
Don't burn
junk
it.
is.
Don't burn it. Hot?
No.
Oh. You smell yours is junk.
Good cream. Bruh. All right, so you can see that's where my mouth was. And then we got the Godzilla, what was this? Like a lemon?
Like a peach,
Peach soda?
I think.
Yeah, this one's cute. It looks like Godzilla. The color looks like Godzilla. And we got the 54 Godzilla on there. Beast. Guys, the pancake is so cute. It looks so good. It looks like it has like cookies and cream sauce over it. There's the little Mothra and a giant chocolate Godzilla. I'm gonna freeze him and take him home. That's so awesome. We got the Godzilla -1 drink, blue carousel and citrus soda.
Mm-hmm.
Looks awesome. All this looks so good. Okay, so it's actually sesame. sauce. Actually, that checks out.
It's like sesame and cream.
All right. I'll dig in first, I guess. Ooh. I know they gave us a knife, but I don't care to use it.
The coffee's really good.
Ooh. Nice big bite. Here you guys go. It's like eating candy.
I can't get over the coffee. It's so good. All right, let's see. My turn.
You can bring it closer to you and cut it.
I don't want to ruin it. It's beautiful.
Oh, I already ruined it, so.
The pancake's really fluffy. Sesame always just tastes like peanut butter to me. So it tastes like a peanut butter pancake. It's good.
The coffee is pretty good too. The cream that they put on top is really sweet. So
Very
it
sweet.
makes the coffee
Like in a good
easy
way.
to
It's like a sweet cream.
Time to ruin your drink.
No. No. Move, Ice. All right, well, he got spread. He packed on a few pounds. Ooh, that's good. That's very refreshing. Nice citrus with the cream.
I'm gonna mix it all up
Should
eventually.
I? Yeah. He's already ruined. All right, we're mixing. Good thing I already got my picture.
Some thick cream.
It is very thick. It reminds me of like the cream they put on butterbeer. That's pretty good.
So again, mine is a peach flavor drink. Oh, a little warped now. Oh, that's good. Good flavor. Take a sip, baby.
You need to take a sip of mine.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's good. Oh, I don't know what I like better. They're both very yummy.
My turn. Oh, yeah, that's yummy.
They're both
Reminds me-
nice.
I don't know how to explain it, but it reminds me of something I'd get out of an ice cream truck. Like one of those popsicles.
It tastes like blue.
Sorry, Goji man. Sorry, G man. I'm trying to mix you up. Yum.
I'm gonna eat Mothra's wing. Looks like a little cookie.
Cookie?
Just a basic cookie.
Yummy cookie.
It's not super sweet. It's really, I guess, more like a biscuit. Good though.
So yeah, guys, overall, this whole entire meal is a little bit expensive. I think we spent about $75, but we did get 4 drinks and this behemoth of a pancake and chocolate, but it was all delicious. So I mean, if you're here only once, I say check it out. It's worth it.
It was funny. So when we were sitting down, like there's people around us, they've already left, but we kind of looked over to see like what they had ordered, because obviously we ordered all the Godzilla stuff. No one else ordered like Godzilla stuff, and Cody's like, how are you going to be eating in front of the G-Man himself and not get anything Godzilla? And I'm like, you know what, that's right. It kind of defeats the purpose of being here. Like, how are you going to have that view? That view right there.
and not have a solid chunk of chocolate of the G-Man himself. That's weird. Seems like a waste if you ask me.
I'm doing it. I'm gonna eat him. I'm gonna eat him. Should I eat his ass?
No.
Eat his
Actually,
head.
it is the color. You should. No. Do it.
Eat your ass, Godzilla.
Do it.
Eat your ass.
Do it.
Oh my god. That is solid choco ass. His head's cute.
Let me have a little nibble of his poo-poo.
Nah, dude, eat his head.
That's
Head?
what I said. No, I wanna just a little poo-poo.
Oh my god.
With milk chocolate. That's good. Let me eat his head.
Oh my god. What did you do to him? You blew his head up like in -1. That's hilarious. So here is the Ghidorah parfait.
He's my favorite. You like the G-Man. I like the G-Man.
Now, it's filled with a bunch of stuff, and I honestly can't remember what. I know there was some like little nerds bits in there. I think they're nerd bits. They're probably not. Some fruits, tapioca, some mochi.
Dig in.
I don't want to ruin his face. It's like gold.
do it.
It's like gold. What's that?
Yeah, there's like specs.
All right, ruin him. Do it. Oh, you ruined him.
Oh god. Oh god.
Holy. Grab something.
Tastes like nerds.
Very fruity.
Oh, that's the mochi.
Oh, I was wondering what that was.
It's Ghidorah's nut.
So you can kind of see here under the cream that there's just a ton of toppings in here that really fills up the parfait, and it really does get you full. So it may not be your thing, but I thought it was worth a try. But yeah, guys, that was the Godzilla Hotel. I hope you enjoyed the room tour and the cafe portion of the video. I would love to come back here and stay here again. I'm a massive Godzilla fan, so this did not disappoint. So with that, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.